Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this video, we will learn how to align multiple text boxes in Microsoft Word accurately and professionally. Proper alignment is essential when working on certificates, flyers, resumes, form, brochure, poster, and design heavy documents. Many users move text boxes manually, which often leads to uneven spacing and poor layout. This tutorial demonstrates simple, reliable methods to align multiple text boxes perfectly using Word built-in alignment and layout tools. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document and we can see here my assignment. Now I am create some text box. Go to the insert menu and select this text box option. Now I am select the first text box and write something. Then again go back the insert menu, otherwise copy this text box. Now I am select this, then this as the text box, then write anything. Now we can see here two text box. Now you want to align these two text box. At first select the first text box, then press and hold shift on our keyboard and select the multiple text box. Go to the format menu, click alignment option, choose, you can choose any align like align left or the align center or align right or align top, otherwise you can align bottom or middle, etc. Now we can see we align multiple text boxes very easily. Otherwise you can move any text box, go to the format menu again and select this wrap text option, choose in front of text, then move the text box anywhere. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.